Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Rosanna. So so we are doing some home improvements. So I have been kicked out of my spot, and my daughter is graduating soon, so we wanted to make a little mini apartment for her. So I was actually filming. We have a finished basement, so I was down there, but now we want to finish it again ×2 to make just like a little mini apartment, so she has a little privacy. But anyway, so I'm going to be all over the place. This is where I am. But the moral of the story is I have been doing some serious shopping these past couple of weeks, and right next to me I have a pile of stuff that just keeps on coming in. So I thought that you know, I would share opening up these boxes and packages with you. So but before we get into that video, I would love if you would subscribe to my channel. You could also ring the bell. It will give you notifications of when I post, which is every Tuesday and every Saturday between 1 and 2 ish. And but I have been very diligent. I have been on time. Thank you very much. But anyway, I would so love your support. You could ring the bell. Like I said, it will give you notifications of when I post Tuesdays and Saturdays. Tell your friends, help a newbie out, leave me some comments. I would so appreciate your support. But anyway, without further ado, let's get started on this video. So now this big little lover right over here. It's a package like right over here, and I think I have like one or two, because I was looking last night. I was looking online. I'm thinking, I know I ordered a couple things, but just wasn't sure. The only thing that is not here yet, I ordered some stuff from City Beauty. You know, it got super dark all of a sudden in here, and I'm sorry about the lighting. It is what it is. I'm still trying to figure it out. Anyway, so you know how much I love City Lips. I have their lip glosses, which I absolutely adore, and they also sent me a PR package that to review their other lipsticks, their other lip glosses. But anyway, I ordered some stuff from them. Graceful Beauty had a discount code. I love her, Sherry, to death. She's such an angel. Anyway, they had some kind of a discount code a couple weeks ago, and I'm sure they have them now. I don't know when this video is going up. I am trying to make a few extra videos, because once renovation starts, I don't know where the heck I'm going to go, so I'm pre-recording. But anyway, just check their website all the time at City Beauty to see they have a lot of discounts and sales going on. But anyway, so I did pick up a couple of other products that I wanted to try out. That did not come in yet. They did send me an email that you know, they were delayed on shipment, but other than that, I think I got everything else in the mail. So yes, so in one of my favorites video, which I will post below, I fell in love with the these Bite Beauty crayons, which of course I adore. I picked the one in Cava, and then I went back and I picked up an extra one. But you know, as I was looking on their website, I really came across these two other colors that I wanted to try. Now I am like a pinky mauvey kind of girl. Like, to me, this is like a little bit too brown for me, but even though it's not. So I did pick up this color in Sugarcane. I don't know if you could see that. So I did want to try that. And although this went against everything I just said, I also picked up Leche. Can you see that? Now let me just show you the difference real quick. Rooney here. Are these yeah. So look at that. So, but I really wanted to try them because I am in love with their the Bite. I fell in love with this when I picked up the Cava one. I am so in love with it. And then of course, you know, I didn't want to pay taxes, so I just picked up this little lover. This is called the let's see. This is called the Tint. And let me just preface, I'm not really a lipstick wearer. I really like lip glosses, but I'm really trying. But this is in Agave Lip Tint Tin. So I really wanted to try that, and it's in Swizzle. So we will see about that. Of course, I will be doing videos later on about the products that I picked up, makeup wise anyway. And by the way, I am full faced, and I will link everything down below in the description box of what I am wearing. So I picked that up, and let's see, I know what this lover is over here. Let's see here. I guess I should have opened them to save us some time, but you know, we could chit chat. So what's been going on? I want to know. Leave me some comments down below. Have you guys started your Christmas shopping? And again, I'm sure by the time this goes up, if it'll be Christmas, but I usually am a Christmas Eve shopper. I don't know why I do that, but I have been really trying to be better. So I will tell you, today I think is December 6th, I think. And I am almost done with my Christmas shopping, which I'm super duper excited about. Anyway, yep, just as I suspected, I fell in love with Salt, New York. How beautiful is this? I did do a video I picked up a mini, and I was so intrigued because I've been eyeballing this company at least a year now, and I'm like, ooh, and I love creams. I'm in my early 50s. I adore creams. By the way, I'm wearing the Patrick Ta. I don't remember what color, but the powder to cream. I am wearing that. I am really loving cream products. But anyway, so I bit the bullet. Actually, I saw Lisa J do a video recently. I'm like, that's it, man. I'm gonna get it. I've been eyeballing this product. I have been thinking about it. Thank you, Lisa, and I did it. It was beautiful. They are gorgeous. So, and I did do a video on it. I will also link that one below. But of course, they were running a sale, and I can't remember. I want to say 30% off, but I did pick up the, they have a mini palette, the magnetic palettes, and they also have like the regular palette, which is right over here. How beautiful. I mean, this is so beautiful and sturdy and really made well. I mean, this is like a beautiful palette. Yep. And here it is. This is the magnetic here, the mirror down here. And I just picked up a few different products. So this one, and their Lip and Cheek Cream Tint Pro. This one is like for the lip and the cheek. Oh, actually, they were running a holiday special. They have two lips. One is in cinnamon, and another one is. You know what? I'm gonna put this on my Instagram story because the sale is going on now, and like I said, I really don't know when I'm going to when this video is going to go up, and I don't want you guys to lose like the discount. So I'll just put this in my probably in my either my Instagram. Oh, that is beautiful. This is the blackberry. This was not in the sale, but this is the Lip and Cheek. It's beautiful. Don't panic. It's not what you think. It really isn't that dark. It is absolutely beautiful. But anyway, they are having a sale. I will put it in my story, and so you guys can get the discount. This is the Radian Cream Tint Pro. I believe this is like one of their highlighters. I'm not gonna lie, it's a little. It comes in this cute little package. How beautiful is that? And then it gets packaged like this, so you know so the cream doesn't get distorted. How beautiful! And this is in pearl. Ooh, isn't that beautiful? How gorgeous is that? So like I said, I mean, it's a little tricky to understand because just look on their website, and I want to say Kiki G, I think that she's one of the owners or the owner. She does a great video on how to describe like what you pick for what. Let's just say like for like your highlighters, they have like radiant pearl and cream, and they just have like four categories in your highlighters, 4 categories in your bronzers, 4 categories, and now these are extras because there's 2 colors for the holiday for your lip and cheek. So she describes everything and how that works out. But what a beautiful company. Okay, let's just stop talking because I have a whole stack here and I'm getting nervous. So these are the 2 lip and cheek colors that they have for the holiday. So let me just open this up. And I remember one was cinnamon. I love this. Oh yes. So this is the way it comes, just like this, just like I showed you. So pretty. So this one is cranberry. Ooh, isn't that beautiful? And like I said, you can use them on your lips and your cheeks. They are not as dark as you think. Like I said, I will post my video down below and what I used, and I was like, but when you put them on, they are so beautiful. They are creamy. I can't say enough. Oh yes, and spice. How beautiful is that? Ooh, I'm so super excited. So I just put it in just like that just like that for now. And I'm going to just zip up this lover and call it a day. That was that package. I'm going to be in and out. Okay, so let me just preface. I am an infomercial junkie. I saw this, I'm sure, in the middle of the night somewhere, but this is from QVC, which I adore. Did you guys ever see these things? Is like when you cook and it doesn't like splatter like on your stove, you just cut these to the perimeter of your stove so it doesn't get dirty. I'm going to just show you a picture right over there. Yeah, can you see that? Anyway, so I picked these up, and then this goes in between like your stove and your countertop, which of course every crumb that you could possibly think of gets stuck in there. So yeah, so I picked these. This is gas range protectors, that's what they're called, and you can cut them down to size. I figured I'd split them with my mom. They're super duper cute. So I got that, and then gosh, I don't even remember what the hell this is. So I don't know what it is. So, but we're gonna open it. So we're gonna open this, and let's see here. So anyway, so yeah, I'd love to know what you guys have been doing for the holidays. What the hell is this? I don't know. Leave me some comments down below. I have no idea. Women's fashion. Oh, you know what? I think I picked up some stuff on, I want to say on Angie Hot and Flashy. She was doing, I want to maybe like her Amazon sweaters and stuff. I'm like, how the heck did these guys get such great like products and stuff like that? Oh yes, look, here it is. It was like vacuum packed. I'm like, what the hell is this thing? How beautiful is this? So this is just like just a big cardigan. Let me just unfluff it for you. But how beautiful is this? Isn't that so nice? I really am loving like these cream color, beigey kind of warm colors. Isn't it so beautiful, especially now because it's getting very, very cold out. I live in New Jersey, and this is so cute. Exactly what I was thinking about. It's got like little pockets right here. I'm so short. I'm trying to get in. There you go. It's got little pockets. I will tell you, I am a large. I'm a large girl up on top, if you get my drift. So yeah. So I picked up that. And then I love these bags. I don't know if you guys are following me. I am a bag paper hoarder. I'm going to keep this bag. And my kids are always like, you have a freaking problem. I know that. But when you guys need a bag, your mama has it. Or somebody else. Would you happen to have a little pouch? Yes, I do. Ooh, I was looking for like a medium size. I have it. So don't make fun of me, ladies. So yes, of course I'm going to keep this bag. Look how cute it is. Cute. And look at the front. It's adorbs. How cute is that? Okay, so, oh yes, by the way, these are just plain old black shirts. Who doesn't need black shirts? Just plain old black shirts that you could always put on. Ooh, underneath. This came with a matching set. This was the matching set that Angie from Hot and Flashy had on. She had on like just these cute little sweatpants. These cute little sweatpants. Could you see that? Little sweatpants with the sweatshirt. So like I said, I got mine in large because the girl is large in charge. Okay, so now I think I know what these are. Again, I got all these ideas from Angie from Hot and Flashy. I will link you know, her channel down below, and I will also link where I got all this good stuff from. Again, I have 5 of the gazillion pair of shoes. Is anybody in the house today who's like, Mom, did you get another pair of shoes? But now that I'm looking through stuff, I really don't have a lot of like boots. I have like, look how beautiful and chunky and delicious they are. Aren't these beautiful? I mean, I have a lot of boots that like go up to, they smell like that, those brand new. I have like a lot of, I know my head is like all over the place. Yeah. It's okay, girl. I know there's a lot of people up here. It's okay. But anyway, I have a lot of boots that go up to my knee, but I don't know if I have a lot of like ankle boots. So I picked these up as well. And of course, I will have everything linked down below of where I got them. But I think so far, I think I got all the clothes stuff from Amazon. Ooh, I think. And then, yes. This is also one of the sweaters that she had on. It's so pretty. It's the stars. How cute is this? Isn't that beautiful? It's very, very sheer. Let me just, very, very sheer. So, of course, you will need something underneath it. Let me see. Yeah, it is so, so pretty. So, I mean, like I have like a camisole on right now. So something like of this nature, like of this color, would be absolutely perfect under this. Isn't this so pretty? I really liked it when she had it on her. And the stars are very cute, very subtle. So I so fell in love with that. Okay, so, and then in here, I believe I picked these up from Nordstrom's, this box right here. I was watching Lisa J, and she had some of her sweaters on, you know, I want to say Maxwell. Let me just look before I speak. But anyway, you know, especially like during this pandemic, none of my clothes fit me, I'm not gonna lie. So I have been looking like to redo my wardrobe because nothing freaking fits me anymore. So I picked up, so I really noticed that I really didn't have any sweaters. Like I don't have sweaters. I have like, what the hell happened to my hair? What the hell? I don't know. But anyway, like I don't have like any sweaters per se. So when I was watching Lisa, and she's got like this purpley sweater on, and I'm not really a purple girl. She's worn it a few times, and a few times she's mentioned it. I'm like, I'm gonna just go freaking grab it. Yep. So these are from, oh right, say these are from Nordstrom. Yep. So these were from Nordstrom. They were having a sale. I'm not sure if they're having one anymore. But this is how they come. So I picked up 3 sweaters. And if you guys follow Lisa, you will know what I'm talking about. This sweater right here. Isn't it so pretty? Now this was, it was for $75, but I know doggone well I did not pay $75 for it. Yes, it's called Madewell. And like I said, I did pick up the large. Isn't that so pretty? I'm not really a purpley girl, but it looks really nice. So I picked this one up. And then, yeah, I picked up this turtleneck for my daughter because that's what she wanted for Christmas, one of her gifts. But I love it that it's got like these ribs on it. Can you see that? It is so pretty. Very sheer, really nice. So I picked that up. And and then this I picked up. Isn't this so cute? I want to say that Lisa probably has it in like that rust color. Is this the same? Maybe that's not the same one, but I like these cute little embellishments and embossing on the sleeves. So I picked this one up as well. Let's see, am I done here? I think that is it. So this is just the unboxing of what I have been purchasing online, minus the City Beauty. And if by chance it happens to come in, I will just insert it at the end of the video. So yeah, guys, that is it. This is my unboxing of all my online shopping that I have been doing thus far. I hope you enjoyed it. Yep, that's it, guys. That is my cute little video. I hope you enjoyed it. And yep, that's it. You guys be good to each other, love each other, and have a great day. Bye.